Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm going to explain you what is AirCrack-NG, packet injection and how to put your wireless card into monitor mode. First of all, AirCrack-NG is not a single tool, but rather a suite of tools for manipulating and cracking Wi-Fi networks. The NG stands for new generation. During the course we will cover these tools. Now let's see what is packet injection. Packet injection allows to intercept and manipulate network communication. A good example is sending DOUT packets to a network client and disconnecting him from the router. To really be effective at wireless hacking, you need a wireless adapter that is capable of packet injection and monitor mode. The best supported and recommended USB wireless adapter for Kali Linux is Alpha AWUS036. This adapter has good sensitivity and can find hotspots that are far or weak in signal strength. To test my Wi-Fi adapter for packet injection, I will switch to my Kali machine and type the following command: AirPlay NG-9 and the name of my wireless interface. As you can see, my injection is working. Now let's put my wireless card into monitor mode using the following command: airmon ng start WLAN 0. And here you will see some processes that could cause trouble. Use airmon ng check kill. This command will stop all the interfering processes. To check that your interface is in monitor mode, you can use iwconfig. This mode will sniff the packets in the air without connecting with any access point, which means that my wireless card can hook up with anyone. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.